bitches, whatever you guys want to call yourselves these days. Hello, welcome to a little day of beauty vlog. I'm actually going to be doing a stream most of today, so this is kind of a vlog slash stream combo, but I just thought I would document our crazy experience we're about to commence on, and that is at-home hair color, quarantine hair color, quarter life crisis hair color, whatever you want to call it. That's what's happening today. I had my hair colored back in, gosh, when was that? It was like in the springtime. I got my hair colored this like honey blonde. At this point it's, you know, very grown out and it's just looking a little dingy. I'm bored. It's time to do something drastic. It's time to do something fun. And my friend Lindsay's coming over. We're gonna be streaming and I'm gonna be coloring her hair and then coloring my own hair with her help. Today, I did go ahead and straighten my hair last night just to help make things a little more manageable. I think what I want to do before she gets here and before we get started is section out my hair just to make things, again, more manageable, because we are going to be doing a full bleach-in tone today. It's a pretty scary thing to do yourself. Lindsay, I don't think, has ever colored hair before either, so I just want to make it as easy for both of us. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair and then we will get started. Okay, well, I look kind of like a who, but that's fitting. I have 6 sections that are all relatively the same size. And basically my plan is to do the front sections myself and then have my friend Lindsay color the 2 back sections. So hopefully that will be manageable. And now I think I'm just gonna twist them up just to get them out of the way. Okay, my sections are done. I look a little crazy. This is probably overkill. I'm just, I had the time and I thought, why not try and stay organized? So without further ado, let's get to coloring here. Wish us luck. Oh my God, I'm so nervous, you guys. Okay. Whoa! Bleach! Beach. We got the beach. Here's a look, you guys. This is my hair before.
I just want to see how similar our hair color is.
They're really similar.
Like,
your blondes are lighter.
Mine's a little lighter. Yours a little more golden. And then our natural is like almost exactly
the same. Yep.
That's crazy.
That's why we're good blondes though, because it lifts so well.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be taking sections like that big. You want them pretty skinny, but that means you can put on the color faster. So ultimately, like, it feels like more work, but it's not.
It'll just saturate the hair faster.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. And then for the first section, we could use a foil, but like, it's not terribly important. Like I said, I don't care if I ruin this shirt.
Okay.
So the first thing we're gonna do, you just get the color on the brush. We're gonna go 1 inch away from the scalp.
Okay.
And then just take it all the way down to the ends and just use like a ton of product.
Okay.
And then once we do the whole head like this, then we have to go through and do the scalp.
Got it.
But yeah, I'm getting it really saturated.
Okay.
You see how saturated it is on this side?
Yes. Oh,
It's not saturated enough on this side. So you have to make sure that you're really getting in there.
Damn, okay.
So the thinner the sections, the easier it is to do that.
I'm gonna start on this side, so we're like working on
Perfect.
opposite sides.
Oh my goodness, you guys, we're doing it. We're doing it.
Both sides, and then yeah.
You guys, we just went through 4
That's a lot.
4 bowls.
A lot of bleach. What is the normal amount?
Oh God, I have no idea.
Different for me, probably.
Baby, it's 4:30. My
Oh my god.
You look great.
Will you get that cap? It's that plastic thing.
There you go. You look like alien.
I'm so warm under here, by the way.
Really?
Yeah, it's crazy. I'm thinking we should color your hair.
Okay.
And then do my scalp.
Okay.
I'm like on the fence. I don't know how fast we should. No, yeah, let's do your hair.
Aha.
Let's have a little consultation.
Yeah, okay.
Can you tell me anything you want to tell me other than the money pieces? Or should I just make you look amazing?
I mean, I don't think I have much to tell you. You know what you're doing.
Here. Like, is that?
That looks right. And then what was there? There's no highlights in.
There are little highlights on the side here. And I think I might just leave those and then do the next highlights down a little bit lower to make this more dramatic.
Okay.
How does that sound?
Yeah. No, I just mean they're just. Wow.
I don't know how the kids are coloring their hair these days.
Boomer hairstylist.
For real.
A little bit of bleach on my eye.
Oh my god.
Like one little, like got right on my eyelash.
Oh shit. Jesus.
No, it's okay.
I'm gonna lose my license. Just kidding, I don't have one.
Oh
It's expired. How do you feel now? We're done. I'm gonna throw this off because I'm on fire.
Yeah.
It's okay about the
ready?
boils, don't worry about them.
Oh my god, you're so blonde.
It's so hot.
It's blonde.
Oh my god,
you're gonna look so pretty.
working.
You're gonna have to like do like a look. You're right.
Oh
it
my
looks
God.
really, really good. You look really pretty with platinum.
Thank you. I'm just gonna go for it.
All right.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why?
You have like a beehive going on.
Yeah. Whoa. Okay.
Should we get a paper towel?
I'm gonna go wash up my face and just get ready for the burn because this shit hurts. Oh no, you guys, I bleached off half my eyebrow and it fell out.
Oh my god!
What am I gonna do?
You look great. The half eyebrow, one half eyebrow. It's like the slice, but you also lost the rest of it too. You should just never have ends. You look interesting.
I'm cute. You want to put your chin up here?
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh, so we can just.
Okay, let's go shower.
Okay. Let's go shower. You guys hear that?
Yeah. Lindsay's taking a shower. I'm still cooking, but we are doing well in the blonding department, the bleach and toning department. Oh, holy shit.
What?
I'm just looking at my hair.
Oh, ooh.
How did it go in there?
Really good. Your shower is so nice.
Isn't it? Good.
It's very white.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh wow, damn it did. I don't know what to do. I'm like, is it done? Because it stopped getting hot. It hurts. Holly Huckleberry, first of her name, slayer of streams, enchanter of chats, traveler of worlds, and mother of dragons. Okay, I'm gonna go wash.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go wash. BRB, y'all have fun.
Hell yeah.
Enjoy yourselves. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
Thank you. All right. We are ready. Oh my gosh. It is looking white. Holy buckets. I am in for a lot of work in the shower. We're gonna go get rinsed, get shampooed, do a deep conditioner. It turned out so white. I mean, there's a few places where it's like slightly light yellow, but I mean, I haven't even toned it yet. I mean, well, okay, just to be clear, I washed my hair with the infamous Shimmer Lights shampoo, washed once, rinsed, washed it again, and left it on for like 5 minutes. And then I rinsed it out, and then I did a deep conditioning treatment because my hair feels very, very sad. But it's like not gone. It's not gone. And I was able to brush it through even. I put some coconut oil in there, put a little makeup on, and now we're gonna go do the reveal in front of stream.
Oh, you ready?
I don't know, are you ready?
I'm so fucking ready.
Wait, let me turn on my... Oh my God, my freaking case is amazing.
Is your hair just glistening in the case?
Am I glowing?
I can see the glow.
Am I glowing?
Yes, your hair is literally... It's like perfect.
It's fucking white.
You look like Khaleesi. You have to do a Khaleesi cosplay before you do purple.
What does she say? Burn them all. Oh. Burn them all. I mean, it's a little yellow, like towards the back and on the mids, but like it would tone. I haven't even toned it yet. First of all, like, who am I?
You look striking.
Second of all, I almost want to bleach my eyebrows. Here we go, everyone. The hair adventure continues.
I love how there's just bleach all over.
Yeah, that's my bleach.
That is bleach, okay.
Yeah, and I tried wiping it off, and then I was like, oh shit, sorry guys. Okay, hold on, we're not done. The master is still creating. Chin up. Are you done? Did you get all your bouncing in?
I don't know, there might be some more in there. Like on camera, my hair looks great, and I'm like, if I ever turn around, I don't know what it looks like. My mom
Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? Look at that. Look at those beautiful curls. I did that. What's up? What's up? Oh, look at that. She cute. She cute. Yay. Yeah, so my hair turned out better than expected. It's because we did like a straight up, like legit, we did a really like professional, like organized application. Other times that I've tried bleaching my hair myself, I guess I don't take it as seriously. I kind of took it pretty serial this time around, and I think it paid off.
Oh, so good.
I'm stinking cute.
It's so good.
Yo, everyone, it is 2 days later. I've been thoroughly enjoying my crazy white hair. But after giving my scalp a little bit of a resty rest, I've decided that I'm going to tone it. And I don't have a proper toner, so we're actually just gonna go crazy and do like purple, using purple shampoo, Shimmer Lights. I'm gonna do it in like 2 different formulas, one for my roots, one for my mids, and then maybe just do my ends like at the very end, you know? Well, I just thought I would bring you guys along with me. Let's do this. Sorry, I was just practicing TikTok transitions, so here we go. I'm gonna dilute the first batch with some conditioner. You take it on your brush, you get it kind of on both sides like that, okay? And then we just paint it on for like about that much, which is like what, like 1.5 inches, 2 inches? And then you'll take another little section down. Okay, make sure it's like saturated. It's a little tricky around the ears, but you won't have that problem. Oh my God, you were holding the hair right in front of me. It's really like not that like complicated though. Like you're doing great. I mean, I wouldn't know, actually, I can't see. But what we're gonna do is you're gonna take down a little section. Like an inch section or less. Oh yeah, it's gonna be messy. Okay, cool. This time, we're gonna go from the color here, and if you overlap, that's great, to like there. Oh, what are you doing? So wet and cold. So now I'm gonna go clean up my little face because I made a mess, and then finish filming my little TikTok for the night. And then I'm gonna wrap this baby up and leave it on for as long as I possibly can. So I will see you guys later. Obviously, as you can see, the color took very well. We have a beautiful lilac, almost like periwinkle, and depending on the lighting, right now we have very yellow lighting. It's a very reflective color. Can you tell this is fake? It is. I just put it in for fun because it kind of like went with this vibe that I went for today. Oh, there it goes. Okay, well that's fine. What ended up happening with the color last time I spoke with you, it was when I was toning my hair using Shimmer Lights Shampoo. I ended up leaving it on for 8 hours before washing it, and it took really well. I actually found it to be just a little too saturated, a little too purple. I washed it one time, and this is the color that it turned into, which this color I'm actually quite fond of. My texture is still a little frazzle-dazzled, and just seeing how much it faded after one shampoo, I do realize how semi-permanent this is, and I'm actually really grateful that I went this route because I was very on the fence on coloring my hair fuchsia or a berry color, like pinkish red. I've kind of just been having this fantasy of it, and these colors are not easy to maintain or easy to remove, and I don't like color commitment. So the fact that I kind of got this out of my system, I'm very happy about that because I realize now that I loved the blonde hair. I'm shocked at how much I enjoyed having it bleached all the way up to my scalp. And this look is really fun, but I'm kind of excited for this to fade out and for me to probably just tone it with a real toner and enjoy the blonde. But however long this wants to stay in my hair is fine. I'm not gonna rush it. I'm not gonna use any more bleach on my hair for quite some time. So if anything, this is just kind of like a fun little color adventure. I'm also like seeing myself in a fun color for the first time in years. And I guess I just feel like this isn't my vibe anymore. I mean, clearly I feel like I'm kind of playing dress up right now. I'm not feeling the most like myself. I think the blonde hair, I felt a little bit more like me and just where I'm at in my life. But this is fun. I'm not mad about it at all. And the color is actually just stunning. It's really pretty, and it's really fun how it looks more purple, more gray, or more blue depending on what room I'm in and what kind of lighting I have. I don't exactly know what the fading process will be like, so if you guys are curious, so am I. We'll find out together. I'd love to know if you prefer this color or if you preferred the blonde, even when it was kind of yellowish. I'd love to hear from you guys. Or what is your fantasy color that you'll probably never do? Like for me, I don't know if I'll ever do that like berry red pink color that like only exists in my imagination, but I can dream and I can go find a wig of the color. So maybe I'll just do that someday. But I'm excited to just not have all of this makeup on and stuff because I also just don't really feel like myself right now. But I wanted to finish making this video for you guys. So here I am in all of my glam glory. I don't know. Okay, well, if you guys enjoyed this video or learned something, don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up for me. Give it a share to someone who might find it interesting, and don't forget to comment down below what color you prefer on me. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Peace.